Hi friends, my name is Narasimha and I'm studying data science group in IRE college. Today, in the subject of chemistry, I want to explain a topic named organic coatings. Nowadays, in our daily life, for any iron or steel utensils or an object, the must and should process for it to be coated because for preventing it from rusting and to avoid the direct contact between the object and the oxygen present in air. So, going to the topic, industrial coatings. Industrial coatings are the best way to keep a variety of surfaces safe. They prevent corrosion. The only solution is to have an industrial coating applied because it can be engineered to provide the perfect connection between machine and the material it is processing. And there are different types of coatings available in the market. And some of the examples are polyurethane coatings, epoxy coatings, alkyd coatings, zinc-rich coatings, and acrylic coatings, and so on. There are many. Compared to this all, organic coatings are best for usage in our daily life. Introduction to it. Organic coatings are a complex mixture of polymers, fluid carriers, pigments, corrosion inhibitors, and additives. They represent the oldest and most widely used method for protecting a metallic substrate from corrosion. One of the roles of an organic coating is to prevent ions from accessing the metallic substrate. The main purpose of coating is, which I have explained before, to avoid from corrosion or rusting or electrochemical reactions. In this way, by using organic coatings, the lifespan of the material which we are getting used is will be increased. As we know, over time, water ions and some reducible species from the environment eventually penetrate the coating or coating system and initiate electrochemical reactions such as oxidation or reduction at the metallic surface. If gas, water, ions enter the coating at some altered site or region, knowing the physical and chemical nature of the site or the region of the metal, and that means for eliminating them could form the basis for a new class of coatings with superior barrier coatings properties. The para says that when we use coatings also, the water or ions or the particles present in the environment will penetrate into the coating and will damage the item which we are using. But by using the organic coatings, while the particulates penetrate also, they will not cause any harm to the material which we are getting used by the properties of the organic coatings. And some of the images of the organic coatings are getting displaced, and the spare parts, and the first image says about the top coat, premier, and optical steel and black coat, and the second one indicates about the screws, mainly the iron screws or which we are getting used in the construction purpose or for building a material is very important to be coated, and by using organic coatings it will be, the lifespan will be increased. And these are diagrams, images. And as we are aware of different types of coatings, in organic coatings also there are types. First one is premiers. It is used for addition to the substrate, corrosion protection, paint addition, and adhesive cements. Materials with a suitable constancy coatings used for surfacing. Top coats with high resistance to external factors are varnish and paints. Varnish is a solution of film forming substance in an organic solvent. For example, colorless varnish, enamel, which is used as a solution of film forming substance, pigments, colorants, modifies, additives in an organic solvent. And the usage of paints, it is a solution of film forming substance, pigments, modifies in organic anti-corrosion additives in an organic solvent. Organic polymeric coatings. Organic coatings have been intensively used for enhancing corrosion resistance in addition to abrasion and wear properties of magnesium alloys. The another reason is to prevent corrosion, we will coat. So for preventing corrosion and increasing the lifespan, organic polymeric coatings are very useful in our daily life. And organic coating can be applied using several approaches. For any process, there are several approaches to go to our destination. In organic coatings also, we have several approaches to get the final product, including painting, powder coating, and electrophoric coating and sol gel coatings. There are some advantages and disadvantages by using techniques in organic coating. So we are aware of pros and cons. That means advantages and disadvantages. For any type of coatings, there are advantages, and as well as on the other hand, we also have the disadvantages. So for organic coatings also, we have some advantages and disadvantages. I am showing the advantages and disadvantages of the technique used by the organic coatings. And the techniques, there are 4 techniques: paintings, powder coating, electrophoric coatings, and sol gel. Advantages of these techniques are, for paintings, the flexibility is good, and for the powder coatings, utilizing no solvents, being eco-friendly. It's its nature, which is an advantage to for the users. And in the electrophoric coatings, simplicity and little restrictions. Sol gel coatings, low processing temperature. These are techniques. And the other hand, which have been explained before, there are also disadvantages. And for the paintings, using organic solvents containing multi-step. And for the powder coatings, high processing temperature and high energy consumption. For the electrophoric coatings, requiring complicated electrochemical control. So, and for the sol gel, long-term processing flow. Main disadvantage of using organic coatings or the techniques which are getting used are time-taking process and multi-stepped process. While we observe paintings or the sol gel, their long-term process flow and conducting polymers with better hydrophobic effects. This results in anti-corrosion coating. I have explained before. For anti-corrosion, organic coatings are better. Organic coatings, on the other hand, can be subdivided into conducting and non-conducting. The basic function of the organic coatings is to separate the metal surface from corrosive environment and to act as a barrier that prevents or slow down the diffusion of aggressive chemicals and corrosion products. The organic coating will act as a barrier, means as a resistor in the circuit, while the resistor will stops the current and will only allow the amount which required amount of current. In organic coatings will act as a barrier that prevents or slow down the diffusion of aggressive chemicals and corrosion products, which results in anti-corrosion materials, and which will be helpful in our daily life for doing our day-to-day activities. And the final conclusion is, so by usage of organic coatings increases the lifespan of coated material and reduces the damage caused to the material done by other coatings. So I want to say that in a society, there are vast type of items or objects which are getting used. And in the same way, on the other hand, we also have the vast type of coatings to be coated on the material. So first of all, by doing the coating to the material, we have to have a proper idea which coating is the better or best for the material and which will increase the lifespan. So my idea is organic coatings will prevent the material from corrosion and rusting and will avoid the direct contact between the material and the oxygen present in the air, which will results in anti-chemical electrochemical process such as oxidation or reduction. Thank you for listening to my lecture, and I hope my lecture is useful for your knowledge. So my final conclusion is organic coatings are best for coding purpose. Thank you, friends.